By the time I came to William & Mary, I had been working in the field for a number of years. I worked in post-conflict reconstruction and international legal development. And what struck me as someone coming from the field is that lawyers from all over the world, not only the United States, were sent abroad to assist with all the right motivations, countries who were struggling to recover from conflict. But none of us from any country had had any training in the legal systems other than our own countries. And I realized that there are 7 or 8 major legal systems of the world, and in order to be effective, to build sustainable peace, we really had to educate ourselves in those legal systems. The approach that I decided to take was to start training the next generation. One of the ways that alumni have participated very meaningfully in this program is that they have contributed to the summer internship program, and they sort of adopt a student who goes abroad. This has proved to be a very popular model because the students stay in direct touch with the alums over the course of the summer, write emails. Each one of the international interns blogs at least once a week, some of them twice a week, and the blogs are available on the program website. Typically, when the students come back at the end of the summer, they get together with their sponsors, and these have turned into what I think are going to be lifetime relationships. We have alums who have stayed in touch with their students for 7 or 8 years and consider them part of their families. It's been a great model. This coming summer, we will probably be placing around 25 law students abroad in developing and post-conflict countries, which is the largest number of students that we've placed abroad in the last 10 years. My field work is a very important part of my teaching and of the program that I direct. The field work keeps my classes real. We do not study just from a textbook. We're studying issues that are being dealt with right now in countries all over the world. Every time I go into the field, my students are providing me backup research, and when I come home, I bring back to the classroom experiences and stories and documents that I've collected in the field, and I use those as the basis for my teaching. Our grads have gone on to extraordinary careers in the international community. We have students that are now working for the State Department, that are working for the United Nations, that are working in multinational law firms, completely fluent in other legal systems. William & Mary has a surprisingly large footprint in the international world for such a small school, and the impact of these kinds of courses and the other international courses that the law school offers has been significant.